In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook to WordPress without plugin. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate Facebook content onto your WordPress site without relying on plugins, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, from logging in to WordPress to embedding your Facebook posts, videos, or other media. And the best part, it's quick, easy, and doesn't require any technical expertise. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can get started using the link in the description below. Now let's dive in. First, open your browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. On the sign-in page, you'll notice several options to log in. For this tutorial, select the Continue with Google option. This method is incredibly straightforward, especially if you already use Google for other accounts. It saves time and simplifies your login process. Now, from the list of Google accounts that appear, choose the one connected to your WordPress site. This step authorizes WordPress to access the specific account you use for managing your site. If you don't see the right account listed, make sure it's added to your Google profiles. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your site. On the right panel, locate a section called Quick Links. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select Edit Site. This will open the site editor where you can modify and customize your content and layout. Now that you're in the editor, look at the toolbar at the top of the page, find and click on the plus icon. Depending on your version of WordPress, it might also be labeled as Add Block. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. After clicking the plus icon, a search bar will appear. In this bar, type the word Facebook. This filters the available options and helps you find the exact block you need without scrolling through the entire list. It's a fast way to locate the Facebook Embed block. From the search results, select Facebook Embed. This block is specifically designed to integrate Facebook content into your WordPress site. Once you've added it, a prompt will appear asking for the URL of the Facebook content you want to embed. Now, head over to your Facebook account and find the post, video, or other media you want to display on your WordPress site. Copy the URL of that content. To do this, simply click on the three dots or share button on the Facebook post, then select Copy Link. Return to WordPress and paste the copied URL into the field provided in the Facebook Embed block. Once you do, a preview of the content should appear right within the editor. Take a moment to verify that the preview looks correct and matches the content you intended to embed. Once everything looks good, it's time to save your changes. Depending on your workflow, you can either save the draft to review later or click Publish to make the embedded Facebook content live on your site immediately. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Facebook content onto your WordPress site without using any plugins. By following these steps, you can now enhance your site with relevant Facebook posts, videos, or other media to engage your audience effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.